गजाननं भूतगणादिसेवितं कपित्थजम्बूफलसारभक्षणम् उमासुतं शोकविनाशकारकं नमामि विघ्नेश्वरपादपङ्कजम् या कुन्देन्दुतुषारहारधवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणाम्बरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्करप्रभृतिभिः देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। So, our topic is life building and successful living, a brief outline. Dear students, student life and youth period is the first part of human life according to our great, glorious, lofty, unique and ideal ancient Indian culture or Bharatiya Sanskriti. This period of say 25 years is the formative stage in the life of human beings. During this golden period, students need to build their precious human life by laying the foundation of their life properly and strongly, and by constructing the superstructure of their future life upon the same completely, properly, strongly and nicely, so that they can live their life successfully, that is economically prosperously and spiritually happily and peacefully. Building of the foundation and superstructure of human life can be well understood with the analogy of a house building. The foundation of a house building is laid properly and strongly with 4 concrete foundation pillars. Similarly, the foundation of human life can be laid properly and strongly with 4 strong pillars of foundation, that is good physical health, powerful mind, noble character and ethical conduct. The superstructure of a house building is built with 4 facilities, that is bathroom, kitchen, bedroom and puja room or prayer room. With these facilities, the superstructure of a house building becomes complete, proper, strong and nice, and human beings can live therein happily and peacefully. Similarly, the superstructure of human life is built by achievement of 4 grand objects or goal of life. They are dharma or righteousness, artha or material property, kama or fulfillment of vital worldly desires, and moksha or liberation of soul according to our great, glorious, lofty, unique and ideal ancient Indian culture or Bharatiya Sanskriti. These 4 grand objects are called ethical value, economic value, vital value and spiritual value. With achievement of these 4 grand goals, the superstructure of human life becomes complete, proper, strong and nice, and human beings can live their precious life happily and peacefully. If the foundation of the house building is laid properly and strongly, and if the superstructure of the house building is constructed thereupon completely, properly, strongly and nicely, human beings can live their entire future life in that building happily and peacefully. Similarly, during the student life and youth period, if human beings can lay the foundation of their life properly and strongly, and if they can construct the superstructure of their future life upon the same completely, properly, strongly, and nicely, they can live the remaining three parts, which is a long period of their life, say remaining 75 years, successfully, completely, purposefully, prosperously, happily, and peacefully. Thus, human life can be said to be lived ideally. This is a very brief outline of the subject of life building and successful living, which we will discuss brief details in our subsequent write-ups and talks. Students need to acquire knowledge on this subject of life building and successful living in their schools, colleges, and universities through life building, character building, and man making education or moral, ethical, religious, and spiritual education known as value education, so that they can build their life completely, properly, strongly, and nicely. What is value education then? We will discuss the same in the next talk. Here ends our introductory talk number 1.